guys, we're back.
Who's excited, guys? Me. Where the hell have you been, locas? So much has happened. It's been like, what, almost 3 years since I've made a video, a long format video. Just a little update. What the hell have we missed? I opened a business, crazy. I'm in a relationship, crazy. I'm old now, I'm 29, crazy. But today we're doing a vlog, so let's pack. My flight boards in 2 hours and I haven't even packed yet. It's okay, I still live in Las Vegas and I'm going to visit my best friend who lives in San Diego for her birthday, and I'm only going for like 2 days. A little beach bag, some presents for her. I'm gonna watch the World Cup, so I'm bringing a jersey. This is very much clearly a football jersey, not like football like World Cup, like football like American football, but I think we can make it cute because I don't have a soccer jersey. Also, I would like you all to know my phone's on 10%. Like, who goes to the airport with their phone on 10%? Type A or B, like, just know I'm B. But yeah, we're making a lot of progress. I am gonna hurry up and try to pack as fast as I can, and I'll see you guys at the airport. Okay, we made it to San Diego, to Lauren's, and we're going to the watch party. And these are the fits. I'm wearing a football jersey. Okay, we got breakfast. Lauren doesn't really love her coffee. Mine's fire. Lauren, what did you get?
Shashuka.
Shashuka. And I got a breakfast bowl. Alright, we finished breakfast and now we made it to the beach. The watch party is there. They were sold out, so we're as close as we can get without being there.
How are we feeling? Did everyone like the show?
Woo! Okay, we came back from the beach and we took a nap because we were dead. Or I took a nap. Did you sleep?
No.
You didn't sleep? So now we're going to dinner to celebrate Lauren's birthday. I also have a confession.
What?
I made the reservation for 7:30.
I'm dead.
I just wanted to be safe in case I was running late. So we'll do a fit check. Lauren, do you want to go first? Lauren looks so good. Wait, do it this way with the light. Oh, all my stuff. So cute. Lauren has no full-length mirror, so I'm struggling. We're almost the same height. And we're starving to death. Guys, we just finished dinner. This is the cutest place. I want like a plane to go by. Oh, there we go. Oh no, that's a car. Wait, I was so ready. But this place is so cute. They have little signs and then they have the planes. And you can see it. Lauren loves it because she's a flight attendant. A pilot, basically. Happy birthday! Okay, we got to the bar and we got yelled at. Just kidding, they didn't really yell at us, but they told us we can't take pictures with flash. Next time. It's birthday! Okay guys, it's the next morning. I don't think we vlogged last night. I think we went to bed immediately after getting home. But Lauren, it's officially her birthday. And she's feeling 29.
My bones are crashing. I had 2 drinks, woke up, hungover. I can't move.
We're doing great. We're at the cutest coffee shop ever. And I got a pistachio. We both got pistachio coffees. And little breakfast sandwiches. And a little Italian flag. And we're in Tuscany. Tuscan. Is it Tuscany?
Maybe.
I don't know. We're gonna eat and then eat and rally. Eat and rally. We have to go to the grocery store too, and then we're rallying. Lauren came back out and this guy is helping us. We tried 3 times.
I don't know why I can't do it today. Oh, thank you so much.
Oh my god, thank you.
Thank you.
That was crazy. I didn't believe in him either.
But I was actually, that was scary though.
That was scary. I was like, I can't even look.
At first I was like, I'm hungover, that's why I can't do it. And then
No, that was
started doing
hard.
it, I was like, no.
There was no way. That was so
that was-
close.
yeah, that was really close.
That was so nice of them. We would have been stuck there till the truck left.
And there's 3 of them were just sitting there cracking
My
up.
favorite is you go, everyone's staring at me. I said, no, they're not. And he comes over to help. Look how they are.
Oh my
feel
That
like
was so
funny.
nice. I thought I was gonna get in your car and do it for you.
I would have rather had that, to be honest. It was a scary experience.
That
If
was
they
really
weren't there,
scary.
though, like, I think we would have just sat in
No,
the car
we would
there
have
all
had
day.
to just wait. We would have had to walk to the grocery store.
I thought I was still hungover.
That was crazy.
We finally got back from breakfast after we got help on parking, and we got ready, and now we are headed to Lauren's friends for a little pregame before a beach bonfire to celebrate her birthday. This is the car. It's packed. The fit is very, very cash, so I just have leggings, a black t-shirt, and then I have a flannel for when it gets cold because I can't hang in the cold. And I did Lauren's hair and makeup. We'll show you. She's going to grab her water bottle. I had to buy a new water bottle because I didn't bring one on this trip. I'm just drinking wine because I have a flight back home in the morning, and we're both old now, so we can't hang. Feel slightly hungover from yesterday. But we're going to get some lunch, some kava. I've never had kava. Here's Lauren, the birthday queen. You look so good.
Thank you. Courtesy of you.
Fire. Courtesy of the model.
Happy birthday, queen.
Are those dolphins?
I think those are dolphins.
Happy birthday to you.
Oh.